All right, here's one. Buick Enclave. Code comes up, misfire 2, 4, and 6. Fuel pressure irregular. Fuel pressure, whatever. All right, it was code number. Let me look it up real quick. I'll tell you what the code was. All right. Here's the codes that came up. So it was P0089 fuel pressure regulator performance. Let it link up again. Okay, that was the first one. And then fuel rail low pressure. Fuel regular 0089. Okay, that other one came up because I took the sensor out. I'll show you that. But and then you got, these are all stupid things. Misfire, 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 misfire. Okay, mass airflows because I unplugged it. I thought maybe that was what it was doing. But so misfires and 0089. Okay, so you'd start the thing up, run like, like crap. It was running on 3 cylinders. Basically, it was running on the first 3 cylinders. Front 3. Goes into limp mode or whatever you want to call it. Barely starts. Sounds like it's all out of time and everything crazy. All right, I didn't get that on video, but so you got to take the intake manifold off. Take the cover off. Move all these hoses. Just swing these all over. All right, there's a bolt 10 millimeter here. Swing that all over. Pull this hose off. This hose off, unplug this. There's a 10 millimeter bolt behind here. This just pulls out. This, the drain up tube, just pull that up. Screwdriver, screwdriver, take this piece off. Then you got one bolt down in here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3, 4, 5, and the one down there is 6. Take the intake manifold off. Right in this corner, there's a rubber seal. Okay? Take that off. Right in this corner, there's this little switch. There's your problem. The fuel pressure sensor. There's the part number from Advanced Auto Parts. Let me see if I get the part number off it. Where'd it go? Figured they put a sticker on it, right? Put the sticker right on it. Nope, they didn't put the sticker on it. Oh, there it is, right there. There's your fuel pressure. Okay? Like $100 for that thing. But put that on, put everything back together, bam, started right up. Now I had put new coils and new spark plugs in it because we thought, you know, misfire 2, 4, 6. Couldn't find nothing about that. So we did that, and we're going to change the oil in the filter because it loads up the fuel is what it does. So you think it doesn't have enough fuel pressure, it has too much fuel pressure, and it's too much to those back 3 rails, so it just causes a big misfire. All right, so 3.6 VBT, really running really bad with multiple misfire codes. Fuel pressure, there's your culprit. Hope that helps somebody, because we went crazy fixing this thing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Talk to you soon.